when it hurts like this.
Do you always struggle to find what's your personal style? Do you always struggle to have so many clothes but still not sure what you look good in? I hope you will get your answers by the end of this video. So personal style is something that you cannot find in just one day or just in one video. It takes time. It evolves with you. I'll put few pictures here and I will show you how my personal style has evolved over the years. To find your personal style, first you have to understand you have to be very comfortable in your own skin. You have to be confident about yourself, about your body, about your personality, and then it will help you to find your personal style. I have decided to make this video in 3 parts because if I make a very longer video, it will be kind of boring for you too. So this is the first part, and if you want the second and third part, you have to like this video so that I know that you're finding this videos helpful, and I will make sure to give you all the information so that by the end of 3 videos you would be able to find your personal style and be confident and be the best version of yourself. As I mentioned, personal style keeps on evolving and it should evolve. You cannot dress up the same way as you did in your college or in your school. So it should evolve with time. That is how you find yourself. That is how you find what you actually like. So my first point is always keep experimenting. Invent yourself. When you don't experiment, you have no clue what you actually like. You're simply just wearing the dresses what you have in your closet. First thing I want you to do is go open your wardrobe and see what are the types of clothes that you mostly have. What does your wardrobe actually consist of at this time, at this moment, and then bring out few pieces which you think that looks really good on you. That is very important. If you don't know what looks good on you, take help of your very good friend or your relatives or your husband or your mother. Help you and ask them what they think suits you best. Think of something. What is that one dress when you wear that you feel I'm very confident, I'm feeling my best, I'm looking so cute. That's very important to know. So find out what kind of clothes you like on yourself. If you are someone who don't know how to put together outfits, who is not sure or who is not very interested and thinks ki yaar, I don't know if this will look good on me or not, draw inspiration like from everyone. You can draw inspiration from the colleague who sits beside you, or from the girl who travels with you in your office or while you're going to college, or that trendy girl who you like in college. So think, what are they wearing? How are they putting together an outfit? How are they putting together their looks? So this is a real life inspiration. What you can also do is draw inspiration from sites like Pinterest and Instagram. These are the best site for to get very good inspiration for style. How to look cute, how to make your hairstyle look pop, how to make your outfit look cute, how to put together an outfit. So these, if when you go to Instagram and Pinterest and you see that these kind of outfits I really like, save them. When you save them, you have kind of a gallery. So when you're really in a hurry and you don't know how to put together an outfit, you can just go through them, inspiration from that, and make an outfit out of it. But my point here is, don't bluntly copy anyone, because that style would not suit you. So you can draw inspiration, that's always good. Do not bluntly copy anyone. That's just very irritating. Just don't do that. Think, what do you like the most? Like, do you like to wear Western clothes more, Indian, ethnic, boho, Indo-Western, very hip-hop types of clothes, or only wear sari, or you only wear suits? Think of your daily life, your lifestyle, your daily routine, what you actually do, where do you go, are you a stay-at-home mom, or you're mostly working from home, or you're going to office, are you traveling in public transport, or do you have your own car? These factors will help you to know what kind of personal style should you have for your daily life. Because I work from an office where we have to mostly wear formals, but my personal style is very hip hop kind of dresses, and I simply keep buying those dresses. I will not be able to include in my office wear. So you have to think of your lifestyle as well when you are curating your wardrobe and when you are actually making your wardrobe. Now, personally, I don't believe in this, but if you're a little conscious girl, you can take a note of this. uh, wear what is good according to your body type. If you're too fat or if you're too thin, and you think that particular kind of dresses do not suit me, it's fine, because not everyone is out there and not everyone is very comfortable in your body. I really want you to be comfortable, because I have gained too much weight after I had my baby, but still I wear everything what I want. I wear everything what I like, because life is too short here. I can't be like, I'm obviously trying to lose weight. I'm obviously trying to be my healthier version, but that doesn't mean I can't enjoy my life till that time. So, and I really don't like wearing boring clothes. That's just me. I just try to wear what you have been always afraid of wearing. Fun fact about me, I never wore shorts my whole life, and I always wanted to wear shorts, denim shorts. I love that look, but I was always so conscious that it will not look good on me, because because I have put on a lot of weight now, and always so afraid and I was so conscious. But then one day, actually recently when I visited Singapore, I thought, if I don't wear now in my young days, when am I going to wear shorts, and when will that day come? I can't wait for to get the perfect body and then wear the shorts. I will insert the clip here and you will see I'm so happy, and actually so many people complimented me that I'm looking really good, and I always thought that I'm not going to look good. I'm too heavy for this. I can't wear this. I obviously don't wear in my daily life, but when on vacation, yeah, actually this is a good point. So when you're on vacation, try wearing something which you've never wore, because on vacation people don't know you, people don't care what you wear, how you look. So you can actually experiment with that on that time. He loved wearing shorts, and I have to give credit to my husband here. He is very supportive. He's like, you can wear anything you want, anything what makes you happy. So that's a very good thing. Always encourage people to be their best self. When you're trying to find your personal style, I will ask you to stay away from trends. Why? Because when something is on trend, you see everywhere, every girl wearing it, every shop will have that trend. Either it's a big brand or it's a cheap brand or it's Sarojini Nagar. See, when polka dot was in trend, you will get that in Zara, Forever 21, H&M, Max, Reliance Trends, Sarojini Nagar, Lajpat Nagar. Everywhere you go, you will see polka dots. What if you don't like polka dots? Why should you wear that if you don't like it? So when you're actually trying to find your personal style, wait for some time and let the trend sink in and see if you really like it. And when you think that no, this trend is something I really like it and I want to invest in, you can insert a little bit of that trend. Example, I was always afraid of wearing animal print. So what I did, I bought these pair animal print shoes. So it's not a complete outfit, and I'm also inserting a trend in my outfit, in my look. And if I feel that I can wear this trend, I like this, maybe I will buy a animal print dress someday and you will see it. These are the small steps you can take to find your personal style. Let me know if this video helped a little bit, and if it did, hit that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Swapnil. Please consider subscribing. You will get fashion, style, makeup, videos, everything a girl loves. Till then, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.